Hey, you two, break it up. Come on now. Hey. 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 Hey, you two, come on now. You don't need to do this. Hey. Hey. Come on, y'all. You're gonna hurt each other. Seriously? Guys. Guys. There's no need for this. It's a huge space. I'm gonna break y'all up and I'm gonna split you up. I'm gonna take you to the other side of the yard. Because there's no need in all this violence. Guys. 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 Hey. Hey. Stop, y'all. Stop. Stop. Come here. Come here. No. Come here. You're gonna go to the other side of the yard. Somebody's moving. Somebody's moving. Y'all don't need to do this. You hear me? Hey, hey, hey. Hey, you two. We're not doing cage fighting. This is not a cage fight, people. I'm gonna catch you, and I'm gonna take you to the other side of the yard. You're just gonna have to, somebody's gonna have to find a place to live. Y'all don't need to be so violent with each other. This is not MMA, people. It's not. You come here. You come, somebody's coming with me. Somebody's coming with me. Who's coming with me? We're not doing the violence, people. Come here. Who's coming? Oh, you're so fast. Come here, dude. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my goodness. Dude, you're not fighting him. You're not gonna fight him. I'm not gonna let you fight him to the death. Come here. Come here. Then you come here. Somebody's coming with me.